Everyone talks about affiliate marketing, but no one actually shows you how it fits your life day to day, especially for a busy mom. So let me break this down for you. So, what is affiliate marketing in a nutshell? So, basically, all it is you are sharing products that you love. Say, for example, this lip gloss here is something that you use and you love, and you want to share it with all of your following. So you would get a link to this product, and then when someone buys this lip gloss from your link, you would get a commission from that sale. Some of the common platforms are Amazon Associates. So pretty much everybody is shopping on Amazon these days. So you can simply share things around your house that you're already using, already loving, and get a link to them. And then when someone buys from you, you get a commission from that sale. There's, of course, TikTok Shop as well, where people are sharing products that are on TikTok Shop as well in the same form or fashion. And then if you want to do higher commission products or digital products, ClickBank is one of the very common and popular platforms for that. So here's the thing. Most people know about this, right? Maybe you've seen other people share it, maybe you've even tried it yourself. But in my opinion, a lot of people aren't taking full advantage of what affiliate marketing really is. So my opinion is it is not your main income source. Sure, there are people that do it that have multiple different products that they sell, some low ticket, some high ticket, they're affiliates for, right? It is a possibility. But my opinion is if you have a higher ticket product of your own, say a course of your own that you promote, right? Whether it's something you created yourself or a course someone else created. This is just one example. Then think about the items that you use in order to run that business. Okay, so this is an easy way to add on a second income stream using affiliate products without adding any additional work. Okay, so I want you to think about it this way. So let's say you are selling a course that you created. Okay, so in order to create that course, what products did you use to create it? Maybe there's a camera that you used. Maybe there is a microphone that you used. Maybe there's software that you used in order to record or edit the product, right? Maybe you're using a tripod of some sort in order to film it. Like, these are all things that you can become an affiliate for and then easily share them when you're just simply sharing. Like, if you want to know how I run my business and how I do it, these are the tools and services that I use in order to create my product and run my business. It's such an easy way to add on, and it creates no additional work for you. All you have to do is get the link, and then once you have the link, it's just sharing it out. Whether you share it out on your social media or you do it more behind the scenes and it's just done through your email list, the option is yours. But it's such an easy way to add on a second income stream. So let me give you one good example for this. I create workout content for a YouTube channel. Okay, I'm a Pilates instructor. I create workout content for a YouTube channel. So I'm already creating the content. I'm using a camera to create it. I use mics to create it. I have a mat that I use. There might be other balls or straps or things like that, depending on the video that I'm doing. Sometimes I do things with dumbbells. All of those are things that I can link at the bottom of that description for my YouTube channel that I am an affiliate for. So this is just like one other way that if someone is like, ooh, I really like the mat that she's using, or I really like, I need a stretching strap, right? I've got it linked down below. It's the one I use every time they see me use it in every single video. So clearly I like it, right? And if they like it too, they might click on the link and buy it. So I want you to think about what it is you're already doing in your business. Like, what products are you using on a day-to-day basis? Whether you're doing this just like personal life, right? It's like maybe it's the products you use every day in life, the cups you drink out of, the lip gloss you put on, right? Like, it doesn't necessarily, if you're not someone that has a course that you promote, like it could be just simply like if you're doing the day in the life type vlogs, like what are you putting on for your skincare, for your makeup? shoes, clothes you're wearing, all of those, right? Like you're already creating the content. All you have to do is then get the links in order to share it with them. And it's an easy way to get extra commission on top of work that you're already doing. So a couple of things I want to make sure to include before we end this is that number one, don't be random with this, okay? So like the examples that I gave you is whatever you're already creating content around, whether that's lifestyle content or you're selling a product or a service of your own, find products or services, right? Like think apps, think computer programs, whatever it is you're utilizing, but make sure it fits in with whatever your niche is, right? So in my health example, like I'm doing Pilates videos, so I might do things that are like protein powder, stretching straps, yoga mats, like athletic wear, right? Like all of that would make sense for that niche, right? I wouldn't necessarily do like lip gloss. It kind of fits, but I probably wouldn't do a lip gloss on a workout video, right? That would be more for like a get ready with me type video. So just make sure that it's not like just sporadic and everything. Make sure that it fits in and makes sense with the content that you're already creating. And then the other thing is just make sure you're always disclosing that you're an affiliate. Like this is a requirement that we are supposed to disclose and let everyone know that we may earn commission if they do buy from us. So just make sure you're putting that disclosure out there. Make sure you're protecting yourself. And you guys just think about all of the different things you use on a daily basis and how easy this can be to implement and not add any additional work, and yet you can add a second income stream. Let me know in the comments if you've got any questions.